Sarah and Tyler.
Hey!
We were just talking about our favorite foods.
I'm telling you, asparagus is delicious.
I don't think I've ever tried it before.
You should. It's always good to try new things.
Hey, that gives me a great idea. It's time for the Try It Challenge! Yes! Hey! Hey! Here's what we're gonna do. When we uncover our plates, there will be a food underneath that we've never tried before.
Then we'll each taste it. If we like it, we'll give it a thumbs up.
And if we don't, we'll give it a thumbs down.
What if we think it's just okay?
Then we give it a thumbs sideways. The first new food we're going to try is 1, 2, 3, twist! Oh my.
That's hairy.
It looks furry. Fur.
That feels like touching a tarantula. And no, I have not done that before.
Why is this food
The
so
hairy
furry?
caterpillars
Are
are
foods supposed to be furry?
No.
Are you guys ready to try it? Yeah!
Whoa! I didn't know this looked like that.
I never would expect that.
It was really hairy on the outside.
I know, and it's green with seeds on the inside. Let's dig in. I can't get off the plate.
It's really sweet.
Mm-hmm.
That is really sweet. I love it.
It almost tastes like a grape.
Yeah.
I don't think this is for me.
Maybe I'll try it again another time.
Yeah. Well, wasn't really for me, so I'm gonna give it a thumbs down.
I'll give it a thumbs up.
Me too.
All right, so this food is, drum roll please. A kiwi! You guys ready? 1, 2, 3, lift!
Whoa!
Okay.
They're so wrinkly. They're hardish.
Kind of. They're kind of squishy too.
I was thinking that they would be wet, but they're not. They're not wet and they're not squishy.
Do you guys know what this is?
No.
It looks purple and red.
Wrinkly. It
Yeah.
looks like a grape, but it's not a grape.
Should we eat it?
I guess we should.
Okay, let's all take a bite together.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my gosh, it is so squishy inside.
It tastes like a raisin, but not.
I love this, so I'm gonna give it a thumbs up.
Me? Maybe next time. I'll give it a thumbs down.
Me too.
Are you guys ready to find out what this was?
Yeah!
It's a drum roll, please. 1, 2, 3. Dates!
Wow.
What are dates?
I guess they're this. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, lift.
I think I know what this is.
Me too.
Yeah, me too.
Let's see what it smells like.
Nothing.
You know, it kind of looks like cream cheese.
Yeah.
Should we give it a try?
Yeah.
It really doesn't taste like anything.
Yeah.
I love it.
Really good. I love it. I wouldn't eat it all the time, but it's still pretty good. So I'm just gonna give it thumbs in the middle.
I love this. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up.
I agree with Sarah. I'll give it a thumb sideways.
It's a tofu. It's a block of tofu. That was great. There's definitely some foods I'm surprised I liked, and some foods that I liked that you guys didn't.
That's okay. We're all different and don't always have to like the same foods.
But it sure is fun to try new things with friends. As long as you remember to be bold, be you, and be unicorn.